All right, y'all, we are in the thick of the holiday season, and my favorite part of Christmas is our Christmas tree and having all of our decorations up. So I'm gonna turn this into a cake, which is very easy for all of you to follow along and do with me. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, to start my cake, I have already pre-baked my vanilla cake, which is my favorite cake, so I'm gonna use it. And then obviously I'm using Nanny's icing, but use your favorite buttercream as well, or check out another video for a recipe there. But to start, I am gonna take a little bit of my green buttercream, placing it on the bottom of my board, as I normally do. And then I am going to take 1 8-inch layer of cake. And then when I fill this cake, I'm gonna fill it, but not go all the way out to the sides. So I'm gonna go about 1 inch from the edge, maybe a little closer. And then I will put my second layer on. And then I will do the same thing with this, moving further in. And then I will move up to my 6-inch layers, filling, and then adding my final layer on top. For the carving part of this cake, I am gonna start around my 8-inch cake, solely for the purpose that it can't be any wider than this part. So I'm gonna start here and very slowly take off portions of this cake. You can take off more, but you cannot add it back. So I'm gonna start just shaving off little portions all the way around. And then for this part, I'm kind of just carving up to get this sharp edge away. Okay, I have the general shape of a tree right now, but you can see there's little parts that just need a little filling in, kind of around the bottom and around the middle. So with all of my crumbs, I'm gonna go ahead and go in and kind of mash these up until I form a dough. I will get a cookie dough consistency with it. So this is coming together perfectly, but you can see it is just a little bit dry. So I am just going to add a little dollop of buttercream and mix this in with it. All right, now that my cake pop dough has come together, I am going to take little portions, rolling it out, and kind of stick it to my cake, helping it come out at the bottom with more of that wider shape. So I have my cake pop dough around the base, and then I've trimmed it pretty much how I want it. My icing will fill in little spots, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but the general shape is what we need. And then I'm gonna go in with my crumb coat that will, in return, fill in spots. Okay, my cake is like between an ice and a crumb coat. It's a little bit thicker just to make sure everything is straight, but I am gonna go ahead and stick this in the freezer for just a few minutes, And then when we come back, I'll go ahead and put my cone on top to finish off the tree. While my cake is in the freezer chilling out before we put the cone on top, I am gonna go ahead and roll out a piece of modeling chocolate, pretty thick. And then I'm gonna take my star, cut it out. Very carefully, I'm just gonna add my skewer in. Okay, I put my skewer in, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of my gold dust and dust this all over, making sure everything is covered. Now that I have made my star, I am just gonna make a cone out of Rice Krispies. Thicker at the bottom, pointed at the top, just compacting these nice and tight together. And then I am just gonna take the same size dowel that is in my star and just make a pilot hole all the way through. Now that I have this hole, my dowel will go all the way through into my cake. My cake is out of the fridge or freezer, and I am just gonna stick this right on top and then very gently ice this onto my cake. Okay, now for the fun part. Our cake is all built and iced, and we are going to pipe all of our patterns on the outside to make this look like a perfect tree. So I'm gonna start with my biggest piping first. I'm using the same piping tip on this whole cake, guys. I am gonna start with my rosettes, starting in the middle and going out and just doing these all over the cake. Now that I have my rosettes on, I am gonna go back with some little dots, kind of squiggling, shaking my hand while I do it. And then in some spots, I will just do little dollops, just having fun, playing with it, doing different techniques. If you find a technique that you think is really cute, try it and use it. But I'm just gonna do this until my cake is fully covered. Not gonna lie, my hand is cramping up just a little bit. And now I get to decorate this tree just as I would a normal Christmas tree, starting with little ornaments and just placing them anywhere my little heart desires. For our final touch, I am just gonna slide my star all the way down. Then I'll touch up my fingerprints, and you have the perfect Christmas tree. And there is our Christmas tree cake to enjoy with all your family this holiday season. If you end up making this cake, y'all need to make sure to tag me like Meredith does in her cakes so I can see what you make. And I cannot wait to see all of your Christmas trees. Until then, make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so we can change the world one cake at a time. Bye.